Imagine if you were told that you had to spend one third of your life in a state of near total paralysis, being largely unaware of your surroundings and unable to defend yourself or engage in work or your favorite activity. From an evolutionary perspective, this sounds like a catastrophic mistake in our design. Yet, sleep is found in every animal species studied, from the tiny nematode worm and the fruit fly to the massive African elephant, and of course, us humans. If sleep does not serve an absolutely vital function, it is the biggest blunder nature ever made. But as it turns out, sleep is not a passive powering down. It is a highly active, orchestrated biological investment that keeps your brain and body from falling into a death spiral of dysfunction. To understand why we sleep, scientists use the energy allocation model. Think of your body as a high performance machine. During the day, you are in a state of waking effort. All your energy is diverted to external tasks like finding food, resources, reproduce, avoiding predators, or in our modern world, that looming deadline and social interaction. In this mode, you are focused on running the machine, but you have very little energy left to maintain the machine. Internal biological investments like deep cellular repair, growth, and immune system training are put on the back burner. Sleep is the time when the machine goes offline so the maintenance crew can finally get to work. But why must the brain disconnect from the world to do this? The synaptic homeostasis hypothesis suggests that sleep is the price we pay for plasticity. Throughout your day, every new thing you learn and every memory you form strengthens the connections between your neurons called synapses. This strengthening is essential for learning, but it is also exhausting. Stronger synapses consume more energy and take up more physical space in your skull. By the time you head to bed, your brain is saturated. If you never slept, your synapses would hit a ceiling, making it impossible to learn anything new. During sleep, the brain performs a down selection or renormalization. It identifies the signal, our important memories, and dampens down the noise, the irrelevant details. This process resets your synapses, clearing space and saving energy for tomorrow's learning. While your synapses are being pruned, a physical cleaning is also taking place. During wakefulness, your brain cells are packed tightly together. But when you fall asleep, the space between these cells, known as the interstitial space, expands by a staggering 60%. This expansion allows the glymphatic system to pump cerebrospinal fluid through your brain, washing away toxic metabolic waste products like beta amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease. It is essentially a nightly power wash for your brain. At an even deeper level, sleep is a time for nuclear maintenance. Throughout the day, simple act of being awake, neuronal activity, exposure to UV light, and even oxygen intake causes double-strand breaks in your DNA. Studies on zebrafish have shown that during the day, these DNA breaks accumulate in neurons. But when the fish sleep, chromosome dynamics increase. The DNA actually moves vigorously, allowing repair enzymes to find and fix the damage. Without sleep, these blueprints for your cells would eventually become too damaged to function. While the maintenance crew is fixing the structure, the brain's librarian is organizing your files. Your brain uses a two-stage memory system. The hippocampus acts like a temporary USB drive, quickly recording the events of the day, but it has limited storage. During slow wave sleep, the deepest part of your rest, the brain replaces these memories and transfers them to the neocortex, which acts like a massive long term hard drive. This active system of consolidation integrates new information into your existing knowledge, helping you find the gist of what you learned and even leading to aha moments of insight. The benefits of sleep are not just for the brain. While you dream, your body reallocates energy to your immune system. Sleep is actually a pro inflammatory state that supports the formation of immunological memory. When your body encounters a new invader during the day, it captures its fingerprint. But the actual process of training your immune cells to recognize that invader happens most effectively during the sleep. This is why research shows that a single night of sleep deprivation after a vaccination can significantly reduce the number of antibodies your body produces. So, what happens when we decide we are too busy to sleep? In the short term, you experience state instability, brief lapses in attention, where parts of your brain actually go offline for seconds at a time, even while you're technically awake. In the long term, your body enters a death spiral. Because the maintenance work of sleep is not getting done, your body has to try to repair itself while it is still running. This causes total energy expenditure to skyrocket. In famous studies where rats were completely sleep deprived, their metabolism accelerated so much that they lost weight despite eating twice as much as usual. Eventually, their internal systems collapsed from the compounding burden of cellular stress, resulting in death, usually from a failure of immune system to stop simple bacteria. Our current understanding is that sleep is not a luxury or a sign of laziness. It is an active, high stakes biological negotiation. Every night, your body weighs the cost of being awake against the vital need for repair. When you prioritize sleep, you are not just resting. You are giving your brain the chance to clean itself, the DNA the chance to repair itself, and your memories the chance to integrate. Your life might be filled with challenges, but your ability to master them depends entirely on what your brain does when the lights are out.